Welcome to Manufacturing Month 2020. I am Dr. Amit Singh, President of Edmonds College. Each year in October, manufacturers across the Americas put on Manufacturing Month to showcase available careers in the industry. COVID-19 has presented major challenges to students, job seekers, educators, and manufacturers. Manufacturers are not able to invite potential workers to shop floors for manufacturing day events and are having trouble finding quality employees. At Edmonds College, we have decided to go virtual for Manufacturing Week to maintain health and safety standards while helping people jumpstart their careers. Our Career Action Center will host a manufacturing industry panel with some of the area's top experts. The Washington Aerospace Training and Research Center, or WATR Center, which is owned and operated by the college, is celebrating its 10th anniversary this year. More than 2,000 students have obtained employment in aerospace and manufacturing. I hope you shall join us for WATR's virtual tour and presentation. The Facility Makerspace, the Business Training Center, and National Resource Center for Materials Technology Education will also host virtual tours and presentations. For event information, please go to edcc.edu/manufacturing. I hope you will attend and find out more about how you could gain a rewarding career in manufacturing. Thank you.